there, Emily Seagren here. I've been an Avon representative since 2008 and I absolutely love my job. I'm a mother of two and a wife of an electrical engineer here in Rockford, Illinois. I started selling Avon when my son was born because I wanted a job that had flexible hours, that I could work on my terms, and I could always dream big with unlimited income opportunities. So here I am 11 years later. I have a marketing degree and I have been able to apply what I learned in school and what I've learned from my job experience to teach myself how to be successful with Avon. I have a team of over 1,400 representatives across the United States. I have built traditionally as well as online. So I would love to help you become a successful representative. I love being a leader and I love my team. They are my Avon Glam fam, and things are a little different these days with Avon, and I want to share that with you. So I'm going to share my screen here. Okay, so if you go to my website, you would go to youravon.com/eSeagren. You can find all of our amazing new products that we've launched, like our tinted moisturizer, our lip tattoo. So much excitement coming this year and so much more to come as we were purchased by LG. And what that means is exciting stuff for Avon representatives, lots of new programs and products coming our way. And I want you to be a part of that. So if you go to my website and you click on Become a Representative, it's going to take you to a new screen and it's going to ask you for your email address and to make up a password. So that is just to make sure that the people that are requesting information are real people and not viruses or something trying to get into Avon's information. So don't be afraid to enter your email address and pick a password. You still have the option to go through all the information, and if you're not quite ready to sign up, you don't have to. So I really recommend putting your email in there and picking a password. What it's gonna do then is, let me pull up the image here. You should see my face there, your Avon advisor, Emily Seagren. Enter your phone number, your birth date, your address, and then you're gonna click on continue. Then, this is the most exciting part, you get to pick a free gift. So you're gonna sign up and put in a $30 investment, which is so minimal for all of the opportunities and training and great stuff that you get when you sign up for Avon. And all of these sets are almost $100 value. So it's a little bit different from when we offered the 3 different sizes of starter kits. These are more popular product launches that we've done just recently to give you the trendiest products so that you can share them with your friends and family, as well as snapshots to share on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. The Avon business is so flexible, and that's one of the things I love the most. So you can find individual videos on each of these sets on my YouTube channel. If you guys are watching from there, I'd love it if you like and subscribe. Let's go through your best sellers set. So that's $107 value. That's gonna give you our Love at First Lash Mascara, our Vitamin C Brightening Serum, our True Color Eyeshadow Quad in Mocha Latte, our Magic Space Perfector SPF 20, our newest perfume launch, Flourish Honey Blossom, and 2 Avon books. Now I know you're thinking, well, Emily, how am I supposed to start with 2 books? And that's okay, because we want you to get in the habit of sharing your website everywhere, coming up with using Avon Social, the social media tool that they provide for us, as well as just sharing more about you and how you love Avon. So of course, when you go to place your first order, you can order books, but right from the get-go, you want to get your website set up and start sharing that link everywhere. The second set is the Skincare Business Builder set, and that is a $91 value. It comes with our Hydrofusion Gel Cream, our Hydrofusion Gel Cream and Replenishing Serum samples, Vitamin C Brightening Serum, as well as mini tube samples. And then that one comes with 6 Avon books. So that's a little bit more of full-size products, accompanied by some of the samples, and then a few more books to get you started. And I love my skincare customers. I love marketing a new skincare line because it is so fabulous. So it's just up to you which of these sets is really calling your name. Because once you start, you're going to get a discount on everything. So you might have to make a hard decision, but it doesn't mean that you can't get those products when you submit your first order. So the third is the Ultimate Color Set, and that's a $78 value. That comes with our Face Perfector SPF 20, our Love at First Lash Mascara, our Nourishing Lipstick, and you're gonna get 3 different colors there. You're gonna have Toasted Cashew, Sparkling Rose, and Red Delicious. You're gonna get an eyeshadow quad in both Mocha Latte and Romantic Mauves. I know those are a couple of my best-selling quads. So they're very versatile, and you can wear them daily, at night. You can mix and match. So love our eyeshadow quads. And then of course our Glimmer Stick eyeliners in Sterling and Black. So our Glimmer Sticks are our retractable eyeliners. I don't leave home without it. I love my Glimmer Sticks, and I think you will too. And then that one also comes with 2 books. So once you decide on your gift, then you put in your card or payment information for the $30. You accept the terms and conditions. If I were you, I would enter my social security number, guys, because what it says down here is without it on file, they're required to withhold the maximum federal taxes from your earnings. So if I were you, I would put in my social security number. That way you can plan for your own taxes. And then also that may give you an opportunity to get Avon instant credit. So that is not like extra money to go towards products. It's more like a line of credit. So you have a little bit of time to collect and pay for your items. Not everyone gets approved for that credit. Again, either way, I still highly recommend entering your social security number. If you have any other questions, feel free to comment on this video. You can go to my blog, sellingbeautyonline.com. You can click right from there or you can also go to my Avon website, youravon.com/eSeagren. I hope you guys get started. There's so much exciting coming our way. I'm headed to New Orleans next week to be with about 60 of our team members. So I know you guys want to get in on that, and I hope to see you on my team very soon. Bye.